Fear of public speaking is the second largest fear after death. And 70% of the leaders are being affected by this. I'm not saying this. It's said by the research. Why I'm telling you this? Most of the leaders who come inside my program, they tell me that, technically we are very good, very, very sound. But when it comes to speaking, something stops us. Now understand, what is this something? The something is actually a fear which is holding you back. What kind of fear is that? That we reveal in our coaching session when I talk to my clients. Number 2 is acceptance. They never want to accept it that we are lacking in public speaking, because we have immense knowledge, we have immense experience of 20 years, 25 years. But once they accept these things, it is quite a little late for them. But if you do at right time, it will be very beneficial for you. And number 3, which is holding them back, is sometime they feel, what if people come to know that I'm going to a coach for public speaking? See, you are creating a benchmark for your juniors that if you're lacking some skill, it is very important for you to learn that skill. So what you're waiting for? Find a mentor for you right now, right away.